What's up, guys? So we just bought the Greenworks 1700 PSI suitcase style pressure washer. Today I'm going to be unboxing this and testing it out, washing the building, washing the cars, concrete, all sorts of stuff. So we're going to see exactly what this thing is capable of here in just a few minutes. Super excited for this. It's very compact, very nicely packaged. So let's dig into this and see what we got. So the gun comes in two pieces, and it's got this little locking mechanism here. There it is. Push in and twist. That's good to go. Okay. Have the power cord for the unit, which is actually really long. So you can stay far away from your puddles that you're working in, stuff like that. Very compact. I like this already. On-off switch. It's got a turbo nozzle or the 40-degree pressure nozzle. Oh. Hose, obviously. This piece right here. This right here is, I believe it was $35.99 or $34.99, something like that at Lowe's by itself. So you can put your soap in here and hook it on the end of the gun. This was like $35 at Lowe's, and this came with this. And right now Lowe's has this whole unit on sale for $100. So, I mean, if you take the cost of this out of the way, you're only paying $60 for the pressure washer. So, let's get this thing put together and try to clean off the building. As you can see, the building is an absolute disaster. I'm pretty sure it's never been washed before. This building was built at least 10 years ago, maybe closer to 15, and we just finished it out for our shop. And yeah, you can see the growth of like the green and everything. So we're gonna see if our little Greenworks pressure washer can get this building clean. It's like really bad back there. I think that's where it's going to be the worst. So let's get this thing put together and give it a shot. Alright, so she is all set up and ready to go. Got my pressure hose connected, water hose connected. About to turn the water on and get to work. I am very, very impressed with this pressure washing unit. Look at that. 10 years of grime and organic buildup, like tree sap and stuff, just gone. Let's wash some other things, shall we? I'm gonna try this out on some concrete here. I put the